Have you ever stared down a dead car battery, dreading the cost of a replacement? Or maybe your off-grid solar system's battery bank seems to be losing its punch. Lead-acid batteries, the reliable workhorses powering vehicles and deep cycle applications, are susceptible to a capacity-robbing enemy, sulfation. But before resigning yourself to buying new, consider the power of reconditioning. This video delves deeper than the basic methods, showcasing advanced techniques to potentially revive your lead-acid batteries and extend their lifespan. As a battery enthusiast, you likely know that lead-acid batteries function through a chemical reaction between lead plates and sulfuric acid, generating electricity. However, during discharge cycles, a villain emerges: sulfate crystals. These crystals form on the lead plates, acting like tiny insulators that impede the flow of electricity. The result: reduced battery capacity and that dreaded dead feeling. Many basic reconditioning techniques involve applying a controlled, low current to the battery. This current can help break down some of the sulfate crystals, restoring some lost capacity. It's a good starting point, but for heavily sulfated batteries, we need to bring out the big guns. This is where things get interesting. Here are two advanced reconditioning techniques specifically designed for lead-acid batteries. Imagine short bursts of high current followed by rest periods. That's the essence of pulse charging. These high current pulses can be more effective than constant current methods at breaking down stubborn sulfate crystals, potentially reviving even heavily sulfated batteries. However, it's crucial to use a proper reconditioner with adjustable settings to avoid damaging the battery. Over time, individual cells within a lead-acid battery can become unbalanced. Think of it as a team of runners where some get tired faster. Equalization charging applies a higher voltage to bring all the cells to the same level, ensuring balanced performance and maximizing overall battery capacity. As a battery expert, I always prioritize safety. Lead-acid batteries contain sulfuric acid, which is a nasty customer that can cause burns. So, when attempting reconditioning, always wear proper eye protection and gloves, and work in a well-ventilated area. It's important to manage expectations. Reconditioning might not revive completely dead batteries, and severely damaged ones might require replacement. However, for batteries showing signs of weakness, it can be a lifesaver. Ready to give your lead-acid batteries a second chance? We've packed the video description with helpful resources to get you started, including guides on choosing a reconditioning method, safety precautions, and even recommendations for quality reconditioners. Head down there now and find everything you need to revive those batteries.